Hello and welcome back to the Hornby Magazine workshop for a closer look at the new Lionheart Trains O gauge Mark 1s. Brand new in from Lionheart Trains, which is part of the Dapple stable, is a new collection of BR Mark 1 carriages. They've arrived at appropriate time because this year marks 70 years since the arrival of the very first Mark 1 carriage design in 1951. Lionheart Trains are producing 4 different vehicle types from the BR Mark 1 family. First to arrive are the BSK, that's brake second corridor, and SK, that's a second corridor. Future releases will also cover the corridor composite, that's a CK, and also the second open, or SO if you prefer. Now the first colour schemes to arrive are BR Maroon, as shown here on our layout today, as well as British Railways Southern Region Green. Future releases are going to cover BR Chocolate and Cream, BR Carmine and Cream, and BR Blue and Grey as well. Now each of the vehicles that's been produced is available both numbered and unnumbered, and with a choice of either DCC ready or DCC fitted. So why would you need a DCC fitted carriage? Well, each one of these has a full set of lighting functions inside, which can be operated with a digital control system. There's a 21-pin decoder socket inside the toilet compartment of each coach, and that provides independent control of the corridor and compartment lights, and on the brake coaches you've also got independent control of the guard lights as well. So the guard compartment and the luggage area are illuminated on the same section. Besides the lighting, there are lots of exciting features on these coaches. They've been designed to be gap-free when running on second radius curves with magnetic, constantly connected gangways. They've also got Buckeye couplings between vehicles, while the outer ends of each of the BSKs has a screw link coupling. There are turn metal wheels, and all of those have got pickups on them to allow operation of the lighting systems inside. And the interior is richly detailed as well, including seat covers, there's luggage racks, dummy lamps and dummy mirrors as well inside each compartment. A look inside the guards compartment and luggage area as well reveals even more detail to take in on these vehicles, and they're also quite simple to get access to as well. The roof simply unclips from the body, giving you full access to the interior. Just be careful when you're taking the roof off because of all those wires for lighting in case you snag them when you take the roof off. Running on the layout today, we've got a trio of the new Lionheart Trains Mark 1 carriages. They model the BSK and the SK, and they're all numbered suitably for the Midland region as well. Livery application is superb, and that extends right through from both the exterior to the interior as well. An accessory pack is included with each carriage, and that includes optional gangway covers of 2 different types. There's also additional brake pipes to go on the buffer beam of the coaches as well. Plus you get extra rubber covers for the tops of the gangways as well, should you wish to fit those. We've really enjoyed putting these new Lionheart Trains Mark 1 carriages through their paces, with only a couple of points to note. Now one of those is that the operation of the lighting control system is set up so that the compartment lights operate with function 2 on a DCC handset. Now some DCC handsets, including our Gauge Master Prodigy that we use for controlling trains here in the workshop, has a non-latching function too. So we've adjusted the CV values on the coach's decoders to allow that to be operated by function 4 instead. It's a very simple process. CV values are in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine, so you can find out what to do. We did also find that whilst these are superbly built coaches, that actually we found the bogies a little bit tight for running on our garden railway. And that's more to do with our track work there because there are a few undulations, there's a change of gradients in the layout. So in order to accommodate that, we just slackened off one of the bogie screws just a little bit on one of the coaches. Other than that, they've run superbly, they look great, the lighting's fantastic as well. I've been really impressed with what we've seen. I'm looking forward to expanding our rake further with more arrivals from Lionheart Trains in the coming weeks. You can read our full review of the new Lionheart Trains O gauge Mark 1s in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. That's issue 168, our June 2021 issue. Alternatively, if you prefer to go online, you can visit keymodelworld.com to read that review as well. Mention of online, we can't forget that we have a special week of Mark 1 focus features coming up from May the 17th to the 21st to celebrate 70 years of these coaches. In there, you'll be able to read reviews of vehicles in double O gauge, N gauge and O gauge. We've got features on the coaches covering their history. We've got a full tour of a real set of Mark 1s and much more besides as well. That's it for now. We hope you enjoyed this latest video from the Hornby Magazine workshop, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.